And this is the N6 clip-on video light by Neewer. This is the box. This is everything that comes inside the box. You have an instruction manual in multiple languages, USB type A to USB type C charging cable, the actual clip-on light itself. Quite nice. You got the charging port on the top, 2 buttons. And as you can see, it's got a battery, it's got a bit of power in it. So it's quite nice. I'll put it on the camera over my mobile phone and show you what it looks like. Now I've got my mobile phone and I've got the little light. You just simply clip it on. You can do landscape mode, you can do portrait. If you're not happy with the light facing that way, just swing it around the other way, and you can pivot it so you can actually adjust the angle to get it absolutely perfect for what you're shooting. You have, we'll turn it on. So we've got different lighting strengths. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you've got 5 different strengths in the actual light itself, and it works perfect. I mean, it's so small, you can actually take it off, slip this into a pocket, pop the phone in the other side, in another pocket, and you got yourself a lighting system which is portable and easy to use no matter where you are. As you can see, the lighting conditions are not ideal here, so we'll turn on the light, the little one on top of the phone, and there you go. And all of a sudden, you can see it's brilliant. I'll adjust some of the light settings. We'll see if we can get something a bit better. There we go. I like that a little bit better. Works perfect. I mean, what more do you need? It is absolutely brilliant.